Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Anker Nebula Capsule, Smart Wi-Fi Mini Projector, Black, 100 ANSI Lumen Portable Projector, 360 degrees speaker, Movie Projector, 100-inch picture, 4-hour video playtime, neat projector, home entertainment. Remarkable clarity and contrast. DLP's advanced IntelliBright algorithms deliver a remarkably bright 100 ANSI lumen image. Recommended for use in dimmer environments. 360 degrees speaker, equipped with a powerful omnidirectional speaker, this mini projector pumps out sound all around. Home entertainment, enjoy your favorite movies, TV shows, and more up to 100 inches big anywhere in your home thanks to Capsule's soda-can-sized design. Android 7.1, run streaming and media apps flawlessly. Seamlessly display content from Netflix, and more on your mini projector for endless entertainment. This is a revolutionary product, a very usable portable projector. It is decently bright, can work for hours on battery. Drag and touch digital picture frame Wi-Fi 10-inch IPS touchscreen HD display, 16 GB storage, auto-rotate, share photos via app, email, cloud. Stay together with family. This Wi-Fi cloud photo frame can quickly update your life moments with your loved ones wherever you are. It helps to stay close to your family members. It is a perfect gift for the elder to feel connected with the young generation. Instant wireless sharing. Other than traditional digital photo frame, Classic 10 can instantly receive photos and videos via Wi-Fi network. Note, only works with 2.4. Lego Super Mario Adventures with Mario. BlissLights Skylight. Laser Star Projector W/LED Nebula Cloud for game room decor, bedroom night light, or mood lighting. Ambiance, green, blue. The skylight instantly projects a field of drifting green stars against a transforming blue nebula cloud, patent protected. Thanks for watching video. If you are interested in this, subscribe to our channel.